think I've said it all and proved to you that you were never wrong in letting me as part of your life.
Finally, we are now standing together in front of our Lord and all who are dear to us, professing our unwavering love for each other. Not even the hardship of distance can break.
The marriage between Paulo and Karen. At the outset, allow me to congratulate you, Paulo and Karen, for having the courage to seal your love and friendship in the sacrament of marriage.
You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down.
But marriage is not about attire. Marriage is not about decorations. Marriage is about love.
If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down. I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I have. I feel we're close.
Today, definitely wouldn't have happened without you. Thank you for all the hard work that you put into planning and making this day possible. Sabi mo nga, rarampa na lang ako. Thank you for loving me for what I am. Thank you for making me laugh, even at the most trying times.
Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. I'm so encaptured, got me wrapped up in your
When Jesus Christ came, He introduced another kind of love, which is unconditional love. I love you no matter who you are and in spite of who you are.
How do you do it? You got me losing every breath. What did you give me to make my heart beat out my chest?
Letting you know that if God blessed us with a child, I will not care if it has your eyes, your nose, or your lips. My last name is enough for me. So I swore to you, with the presence of God and all these people, that I will take care of you, care and love you and our family with all my heart.
Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you. Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Now I got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
I promise to have fun with you, love with you, protect you, and to love you even more kahit maputi na ang buhok mo at uugod-ugod ka na. I look forward to beginning new chapter in life together with the knowledge that as long as I have you by my side, we can overcome anything. I love you.
And I don't wanna let go. No, I don't wanna let